sun breaks over the black earth's back, a golden line on a fresh turned track. We trace the lines where our fathers stood, planting the seeds and the spirit of the wood. No longer bound to the sweat and the plow, the silicon hum joins the harvest now. Orange stoles for the festival shrine, we walk the path where the fates entwine. A drone in the blue where the eagles fly, mapping the crops with the digital eye. From ancient stones to the server's light, we carry the flame through the longest night. Two hearts beating in a single row, watch the vision and the heritage grow. From the laptop glow to the tilled up ground, in the love of the blood, the future is found. Building a world where the old meets new, just me and the land and the dream we do. Calculated plans in a notebook sleeve, statistics blooming for those who believe. The tractor stands still under stars of gold, stories of strength that have yet to be told. The golden fields, our legacy grows. The legacy grows. Our legacy grows.